Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. Have you received a letter from your bank here in New Jersey saying that your account's been frozen? Or have you gotten notification that your checks have been bouncing and you were pretty sure that there was enough money in the account to cover them? Well, if that's the case, then your bank account has been levied upon by a creditor. Now, you may be asking yourself, wait a minute, aren't they supposed to give me notice? Don't they have to tell me before they levy on something, levy on my bank account? Well, the answer is no, they don't. Not to levy on it, not to freeze the funds. They can do that without warning. And if you think about it, it really makes sense, because if you got advance notice that they were going to levy on your bank account, what would you do? You'd close the account. You'd move it to a different bank. So, they can levy on the account, they can freeze the funds without notice to you. But that doesn't mean they can take the money without notice to you and without giving you an opportunity to object. Now, that can happen in one of two ways. One, the creditor makes what's called a motion for turnover of funds. They are asking the court to give them an order that the court officer, the sheriff or the constable, can go to the bank and take the money out, because right now it's just frozen in the account. And they have to give you notice and the opportunity to object. If you object, there's a hearing on the turnover motion and the judge makes a decision. Does the creditor get to take the money out of the account? Does the money get released back to you? Or some combination of the two? The creditor can take a certain portion and the rest is released back. The other way you can deal with it is you don't have to wait for the creditor to make that motion. You can make a motion to object to that bank levy. Then pretty much the same thing happens then. It gets on the court calendar, the court hears it, hears your objection, and then makes a ruling. So, if you live here in southern New Jersey and your bank account's been levied on and you're looking to hire an attorney to fight that bank levy, please feel free to give my office a call. I'll be happy to schedule an appointment in my office, sit down and talk to you, and see what has to be done to object to that bank levy.